This fireplace insert is perfect for an existing fireplace or TV stand. The heater puts off a pretty decent amount of heat on high, heating your living room very quietly. Also, the flame can be operated with or without heat. Press the button for 10 seconds. The temperature setting will switch from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Insert installation. The overall dimension: 35.6 inches width by 8.84 inches depth by 27.32 inches height. And the insert dimension is 32.23 inches width by 7.70 inches depth by 26.02 inches height. The electric fireplace insert provides supplemental heat for a room up to 400 square feet. 5,000 BTU. The room will be warm in a few minutes. 6 feet power cable. Use 120 volts AC. Number 2. Multi-flame modes with log speaker. Lifelike resin logs, ember bed, 3 colors atmosphere light. Variable brightness flame can be set according to your fancy. Log speaker design. Panel and remote control keep the distance to the fireplace within 11.5 feet, help you control the heater more convenient. Number 3. 2 heat options with timer. This electric fireplace insert can be operated with or without heat. As a heater, you can adjust the heating level: high 1500 watts or low 750 watts according to your preference. A built-in timer for auto shutoff can be set for 1 hour to 9 hours. Number 4. Modern home decor. The fireplace insert can be perfectly installed in the living room under the TV or entertainment center as a fireplace heater. Also, it could be a decorative fireplace with no heat for a year-round ambience. Number 5. Safety. This electric fireplace uses LED technology, which requires no gas, oil, and smokeless, ashless, and energy saving. Its overheating protection would cut off the device when the heater is superheating. 1-year warranty and lifetime support by Valuxhome. Number 6. Adjustable flame effects. 5 brightness flame density. The flame could cycle from L1 to L5, which is shown on the LCD. 3 colors atmosphere light: orange, blue, and purple. Number 7. Multifunction. The fireplace insert has the cracking sound of wood burning. Great replacement for wood-burning fireplace or gas fireplace. The LCD screen could display temperature, timer, heater, and flame effect, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.